Cake decorating is truly an art form. It's a fun, creative hobby, and yet you really don't have to be an artist to be a good cake decorator.
My dad, Dewey McKinley Wilton, started working in a candy factory at the age of 14 or 15 years old. He had an aptitude for candy making and quickly rose to level of foreman by the age of 19. After working in the candy factory, he worked as a pulled sugar artist and did specialty cakes and decorations for a number of various fancy caterers all around the Chicago area. All the time he was doing this, he was also doing specialty items at home, working every night. I never recall him taking a night off. In 1929, my dad discovered he had an aptitude for teaching and established the Wilton School of Cake Decorating. He taught new confectionery and decorating techniques to bakers, caterers, and chefs across the Midwest. Over the next several years, he acquired a wealth of cake decorating knowledge and developed the Wilton Method of cake decorating. In 1939, he took the school around the nation to teach the Wilton Method. He would be gone 1.5 to 3 months at a time. He would teach in various towns, sometimes 3 students in the morning, possibly 2 in the afternoon, and a group in the evening. In 1946, when I returned from the service, I suggested we open the Wilton School in our home. At this time, nobody was teaching cake decorating. We put our first ad in the Baker's Helper magazine. It generated 7 students. Classes were growing. 15 to 18 students taught in our home in the dining room. I can recall the students walking down the street, carrying their suitcases, looking all over. They were looking for the Wilton School of Decorating. I'd run out and ask, "Are you looking for the Wilton School?" They'd say yes, and I would say, "It's here in the house." They'd look very perturbed. Of course, once they took the course, they were delighted with it and how hard we worked with them. In 1948, the school was growing rapidly and moved to a facility in Chicago. We honored the GI Bill of Rights and taught many World War II veterans cake decorating and candy making. We showed them how to make peanut brittle, fudges, English toffee, and all the various candies they could use to open up a shop of their own. School staff increased too, and eventually included the entire Wilton family. My dad and myself, plus my siblings Martha, Mary Jane, and Wesley.
I'll tell you one thing about decorating. Once a person learns to decorate, they never stop. It's not like some hobbies. You just use it all the time because you're continually celebrating occasions.